In this video, I explain how I diagnosed and fixed a P2112 Throttle Actuator Control System stuck closed error code. The customer brought in their vehicle with the check engine light on. I connected a scan tool and confirmed the P2112 error code. First, I inspected the air intake system but didn't find any visible issues. Next, I used a smoke machine to test for leaks in the air intake system by introducing smoke into the system. No smoke was detected exiting the system, which ruled out leaks. Upon further inspection, I found the throttle body was clogged with carbon deposits. This buildup was preventing the throttle plate from functioning properly. To resolve the issue, I thoroughly cleaned the throttle body, cleared the error codes, and performed a road test. After the repair, the vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. If you're dealing with a P2112 error code or similar throttle body issues, this video will guide you through the diagnostic and cleaning process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.